What's for dinner today? We got fried green tomatoes and Spam. That's what we're eating. What are you all eating? We dipped ours in egg and milk first. Mix in a bowl. Then we dipped it in flour, meal, cornstarch, and baking powder, and salt and pepper. And that's how we done it. And we're cooking it in lard. Like our mamas used to. Or our grandmamas. We still trying to get our ketchup down enough and thick enough where we can can it up. Been over 10 hours. Got this pretty cucumber I cut up. Here's my Spam. Yum. Try you some. Here's my fried green tomatoes. Don't they look good? Thanks for watching.